All right, welcome back to Calm Digital Flow. Today we're asking the big one. Not what's the next app, but what's the next interface?
Yep, because AI isn't just about what it can say anymore. It's about how we access it. And suddenly, it's not just voice assistants and screens, it's thoughts.
We're talking about Neuralink versus ChatGPT, language versus brain, software versus wetware. Which one actually wins? So let's start here. ChatGPT is everywhere. It's fast, smart, and in your browser. Neuralink, still in human trials.
True, but Neuralink just showed a paralyzed patient controlling a cursor and a robotic arm with thought. That's not a demo, that's interface 2.0.
But ChatGPT evolves every 90 days. Plugins, memory, multimodal input. It knows what you're typing and why. That's scale. Neuralink can't touch that yet.
So, but GPT needs fingers, screens, human latency. Neuralink skips all that. It's not about response time, it's about removing friction.
Let's talk control. ChatGPT runs through platforms, phones, APIs. Neuralink, that's direct brain access, biological bandwidth.
Exactly. You are the interface. Cursor, mouse, gone. Want to play chess, write a note, or move a robot? Think it.
But you're also giving up the most private thing you have, your thoughts, your spikes, neural data. What happens when that gets monetized?
That's the risk. Neuralink is raw. ChatGPT is curing it. But power-wise, if AI is the mind, Neuralink is the nervous system, you run both, you own the future.
So who wins short term?
ChatGPT, no contest. Scalable, accessible, already monetized.
And long term?
Neuralink, if they solve three things: safety, mass trust, and a killer use case beyond accessibility.
So Neuralink is the iPhone before the iPhone. GPT's already Google. But if brain control works, everything else looks, well, slow.
So here's the real question. Would you ever get Neuralink implants?
If it worked like AirPods for thought, maybe, but only if I control the off switch.
Because whether it's AI or brainwaves, the interface is evolving. The only thing scarier, the machines that think are machines that know what you're thinking.
And that's where the future lives, somewhere between curiosity and control.
Thanks for listening. Full Neuralink breakdown and Gemini AI review are up on Calm Digital